Hello everyone. What a pleasure it is to be with you today to share an exceptional moment together at the heart of New York Fashion Week. I am taking you into the fascinating world of the Tory Burch Spring-Summer 2025 Runway show. A true sensory spectacle that quite literally transformed the atrium of the Domino Sugar Factory, now poetically known as Skylight at the Refinery. It is in this setting, metamorphosed into a dreamlike aquarium bathed in turquoise reflections and perched on the 12th floor, that our adventure begins, a fully immersive journey where every detail invites us to explore the duality at the heart of this collection: strength and delicacy, discipline and spontaneity. From the very first moments, one senses the creative tension between technical mastery and stylistic freedom. The silhouettes move down the runway with quiet confidence. Here, tank top-style swimsuits are ingeniously paired with karate-inspired trousers, highlighting a distinctly sporty approach that is never literal. Jersey dresses play with contrast through colorful shoulders, offering a mischievous nod to athletic uniforms. And how could one not mention the fine wool shirts, subtly vertically striped? They unmistakably recall the iconic jerseys of world football, while maintaining that minimalist and elegant touch unique to the Burch house. I particularly appreciate the way Tory Burch blurs the boundaries between urban wardrobe and Olympic references. The accessories are equally remarkable. Just look at the metallic belts that structure the skirts in an unexpected way, creating almost sculptural volumes. Here we move away from the eternal cinched waist to offer flared lines, thus defying the usual conventions of women's fashion. This brings a true freshness to the runway and encourages everyone to boldly rethink their silhouette. Among the prestigious guests who came to applaud this collection were Michelle Williams, Jodie Turner-Smith, and Elizabeth Olsen, clear proof that the event leaves no one indifferent. Their admiring gazes notably fell on the cutout pump from autumn 2024, an already iconic piece that Tory Burch brilliantly reinvents in this new stylistic chapter. But what I find most exciting about this collection is the way each piece manages to combine sophistication with practicality. The tailored speckled wool trousers elegantly graze the floor, paired with open pumps that elongate the leg while remaining easy to wear every day. Then comes the spectacular finale: sleek tank tops matched with airy skirts adorned with asymmetrical ruffles, a duo that perfectly embodies the central theme of the show: controlled power and natural grace. It is impossible not to mention the much-anticipated return of the Riva ballerina. A true icon of the brand, it is back at center stage to win over a new generation of Burch style enthusiasts. Simple yet incredibly effective. In conclusion, I would say that this Spring-Summer 2025 show brilliantly succeeds in surprising while staying true to the Tory Burch DNA. The highlights? An endlessly renewed creativity in the play of contrasts, pieces that are both cutting-edge and accessible, and an attention to detail that makes all the difference. Some may perhaps regret a certain restraint in exuberance or wish for bolder risks in some looks, but ultimately, it is precisely this balance between modernity and timelessness that makes this collection so inspiring. I sincerely thank you for following this report to the end. If you enjoyed this analysis, please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, give a thumbs up, and share your impressions in the comments. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the rest of the show and hope to see you again very soon for more fashion discoveries. To end on a lighter note, did you know that the very first New York Fashion Week, held in 1943, was created to divert attention from Parisian fashion during the war? It just goes to show, creativity often arises from adversity. See you very soon and thank you again for your loyalty.